Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis yesterday, and the big question after Thursday's price movement was, first off, giving credit where credit's due, the fact that the price had made a very nice bounce from its lows to where it was, but then also throwing out the question, is there any sort of true power? Was there any sort of genuine strength behind that move? And there wasn't. That was just, in trading terminology, what we would call a dead cat bounce. What gives me the right to call that a dead cat bounce? Well, the price not only went back to where it started at the lows, but actually even went lower than that. So those gains have been totally wiped away. Not that so that doesn't mean that the price can never ever make another nice move again. My point is, as far as the nice bounce that occurred on Thursday, all those gains were given up. So therefore, back to the drawing board would be another way to look at it. And that also what brings about the first update that needs to be made. And this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So any sort of attempted movement back to the upside next week, $1.40 is going to be that initial level that you'll need to watch very closely. In the event the price can get through that $1.40 mark, next key level will be that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which going through the history of the chart, you can see has quite the track record of actually being very, very annoying. In fact, that's what I'm just going to focus on. Let's just get rid of that, and let's just focus on this as the overall area of resistance, and we'll keep this very simplistic here going into the weekend. And then on that note of simplistic, key level of support for no other fancy reasoning other than the fact of the bleeding essentially stopped at the $1.33 mark. I realize the price did technically go slightly below there, but more congestion right at $1.33. So $1.33, key level of support going forward. Like I said, nothing fancy, just that's where the price simply stopped bleeding today. And then overall level of resistance right up there, that 50-period moving average. So we'll see what happens with it next week. But yeah, definitely a disappointing way to end the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.